Oh my god, like, I attempted to curl my hair for this video for, like, date night. I don't freaking know what I was thinking. I don't look great. I don't know how to curl my hair. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Making It Up. If you're new, welcome. I'm Isa. I don't know where I was going with that. Today, you know, I was inspired by the upcoming Valentine's Day and decided that I would create a date night look, which is the look I'm wearing on my face right now, for every single one of you that has a Valentine and that goes on dates with people. That isn't me, but if it's you, then this look is great. So yeah, I decided I was gonna create this look. It is very like romantic-y, and it's a little soft and a little smoky and a little burgundy, and you know, like all the good things from Valentine's Day. I don't know. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a very easy burgundy look for date night, then look no further. It is right here, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, then definitely make sure to keep watching, okay? I don't know what I'm doing with my arms, so let's just get into the video. Let's do it. Okay, so to start off with the eyes, I'm going to prime. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. You guys know this is the best. It's my favorite. It was limited edition, and now I want to die. Today I'm going to be mostly using Makeup Geek shadows and a few ColourPop ones. So yeah, this is my freaking palette. It's beautiful, so I'm gonna go in with Mirage, which is this one right here, and I just dipped my finger in the black. And we're just gonna set that primer, friends. We are going to set the primer. Awesome, now I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with Beaches and Cream, which is this color right here. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, so I'm gonna use Beaches and Cream, and I'm gonna apply this as my transition over the crease, so you know. And to add a bit more depth to that, I'm going in with Creme Brulee, which is slightly deeper, and I'm gonna apply it also as a transition shade. Double transition shade. Okay, so now after we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop shadow in the shade Stay Golden. I don't understand why this is Stay Golden. It's freaking burgundy. But this look is going to be super romantic and like Valentine's Day-y, date nighty, whatever the hell you want to call it. So I'm going in with like pinkier tones. So this is going to be my first crease color. I'm going to apply it very lightly. I'm going to be going in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to literally dab this once and use whatever is left on the brush and start blending and build it up as I need to. This is a process. It takes time. We can do this. Let's go. Okay, and after we've blended this out to perfection, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites of life, Bitten Eyeshadow by Makeup Geek. This is a lot deeper, a lot more burgundy. It's just beauty in an eyeshadow. And we are going to go in with a smaller brush, like this. And we are going to be applying it to the outer corners of our eye and a little bit into the crease, but mostly the outer corners. Also, take your time with this, build it up. Don't go with a lot at once, because then you can fuck the whole look up. So be patient, guys. Be patient. Okay, so now we're going back in with the Urban Decay Primer, and I'm going to be cutting my lids, and I am going to be using my Kat Von D Metal Shadow in Thunderstruck This is fragile because it's a little broken, but it is the most beautiful eyeshadow ever. I just love it. It is just perfection in an eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this all over my lids. But first, I'm going to cut my lid with the freaking primer. Wish me luck, because I'm not the best at this. Honestly, I think cutting the lid works better with concealer, but I'm too lazy to go and get a concealer because I didn't bring one, so yeah. So I'm grabbing a tiny bit of that, and slowly I will start to cut my crease. Okay, after 75 hours of trying to perfect this cut crease thing, cutting the crease situation, I finally did it. Not my best, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in now with the Thunderstruck eyeshadow and a flat brush. No, I'm gonna go into my fingers first, and then I'm gonna perfect it with a brush. Oh my god! Oh my god. And I find that this is like a peachy pinky hue, so when I pair it with this eyeshadow, it shines through, and I just love that. Now I'm going to go back in with the burgundy eyeshadow and blend these two together. And to intensify the shadow even more, I'm going to go in with a wet brush and eyeshadow and put it on top. Oh my god, guys, this is everything I've ever wanted and more. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this to just literally the highest point of my brow. Now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Stay Golden shadow and a bit of Bitten just in the outer corner and just blend those out, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to go in with my tattoo liner, and I'm going to do like a really thin line just to make my brows look a little thicker. Nothing dramatic. I'm not winging because I just want this look to be soft, romantic, date nighty. I don't know, but you guys can wing it if you want to. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go into my tight line because I am going to be wearing falsies, so I want this to look as good as possible. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Intense Black Honey eyeliner. This is great because it keeps on like the same burgundy family, and it will define my lash line without being too harsh. So we'll do this right now. So since this is a fairly pinky ready look, I don't want to look like I'm sick. I want to look bomb. So I'm gonna go in with a nude on my waterline. Today I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes. I thought I'd change it up. I always use my ColourPop, but today I was like, okay, we need to change this up, so I change it up for you. So now the hardest part is coming. I'm going to be applying my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous thing, one of my favorites at the moment. And I'm gonna go in with my Ardell Black 110s. I don't know what these are, but I'm gonna be using these, only the outer half, so I'm gonna do like an outer like lash. I don't know how to call this, oh my god. So I'm gonna go in with these, I'm gonna cut them up, and I will be right back. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so after applying my mascara and my lashes, these are the eyes complete. You guys can go a little bit more dramatic or a lot less subtle if you'd like with no lashes, but I really like how this turned out. So yeah, now we can move on to doing our face. I already did my foundation and my concealer and everything. I just need to glam it up, so let's do that. Okay, so to start off with, I don't want any like super harsh contour or anything, so I'm just gonna bronze slash define a little with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion Bronzer in 20M. You guys know I love this shit. So I'm gonna go in with this and I'm gonna bronze my face up because I'm looking freaking pale. Now that we have that done, I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the Becca Shimmer and Skin Perfector Champagne Splits in this Prosecco Pop thing. It's a little bit too gold and dark for me, so I'm going to be mixing it with my Thunderstruck eyeshadow because makes an incredible highlighter. So yeah, let's do it. Woohoo! Also gonna be hitting the inner corners with this. And because it is a date night romantic-y look thing, I'm gonna go into my Kiko Blush Cocoa Shock. And I'm gonna go in with the color Silky Rose, and actually I'm gonna mix a little bit of mauve too. So I'm gonna mix these two, apply a light layer of this layer, I don't know. Go in with a light hand basically, because I don't really like blush, but I think this is gonna make it look great. It smells good. Okay, and after that, all that is left to do is the lips. I have two options. I could go in with a red, but I don't think a red would look, this is a sample NARS thing, I don't think a red would look as good with this look, and I want to keep this like very neutral and subtle. If you guys are going to be kissing someone, I'm not going to be kissing anyone, so yeah, I mean, if you guys want to kiss people and do things like that, I wouldn't recommend a darker, redder lip because that's messy. I'd recommend something like a nude liquid lipstick. If you're not into liquid lipsticks because they make you look like you have a butthole mouth, try a liquefied lip from Bite Beauty, because these are like liquid lipsticks, but they don't dry down, so they don't dry out your lips, and they stay for quite a long time, so you can eat. They're not transfer proof, so if you're gonna kiss someone, then that's definitely gonna transfer, but you can eat with these, and that is the important thing for me, eating. But definitely find the lipstick that suits your needs for this day or the date that you're going in that is not Valentine's Day. I freaking love it. I love this color so much. This is in the shade Caramelized, by the way. I don't know if I already said this, but it's one of my favorites. And yeah, I think it suits the look very well. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's look. It's really not super complicated, and I really, really love how the eyes turned out. I think the color pairing is perfect for Valentine's Day. And yeah, if you guys liked it, then give it a like, because that gives me feedback and that lets me know what you guys want to watch and what you guys don't want to watch. And yeah, let me know what your favorite part of this was, or if you have another look that you're planning on doing for Valentine's Day, then make sure to leave it in the comment section. If you have any other video suggestions, also leave them in the comments below. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. If you wish to see more videos from me every single week, make sure to subscribe. It's free for you guys and it helps me out a lot. So yeah, the subscribe button's down there. Click it. Thank y'all so much for that. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Have a great day, night, wherever you are. I will see you next time. Bye. Forever alone, and I have no one to be my Valentine. My dog's gonna be my Valentine, so it's fine. It's totally fine. If you don't have a Valentine, you can be my Valentine. I can be your Valentine. Let's be each other's Valentines, because I am officially alone. Okay, I think I'm done with my depressed Valentine's Day thing. I'm actually like really okay with not having a Valentine. Like, this is real talk. I've never had a Valentine in my life, and I can go on like that forever, I think, which is great. So if you don't have a Valentine, don't feel bad. Girl or boy, whoever you are. I don't know where I was going with this, but yeah, it's okay to not have a Valentine. I'm going to stop rambling now because I don't know what I'm saying anymore.